Now here's how you can export the video from your iPad to a PC or a computer. Let's get into it. So obviously if you have a Mac computer, you can use AirDrop to quickly share your photos to a Mac. But if you have a Windows, you will need to use some sort of different solution. And there are two main things which you can utilize. At first, we have the cloud-based service, and also we have the local storage. So if we begin with the cloud, well, of course you have more options, but you can use, for example, Dropbox or Google Drive, where you will upload your photos from the iPad using the app. Like that, you can upload your photos into a specific folder, and then on your PC, you can log in to the very same Google Drive account and download the video from the drive. So it's going to be like simple because no cables or anything like that is required. You just upload it to the cloud and then download it to another device. But me personally, I like to stick with the hardware and like local solution, and that is using some sort of a storage device. It might be a SD card, a USB stick, or even SSD drive, as long as you can connect it to both your iPad as well as your PC. Because you can connect it to your iPad, open up the Files app like that, and essentially just save and move your photos to that folder. Or you might as well just open up the Photos app, click on a share, and then just save the video to the Files app like that, and choose the external connected drive and just save it there directly. Then you can disconnect the external storage, connect it to your PC, and just copy and paste it to your computer and end up sharing or exporting a video from the iPad to a PC. So as you can see, you have more options to pick from. Let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel and you'll never miss anything important. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.